I am the Explorer, the official Explorer, and today, in our first video, we are here in New Jersey in a monster snowstorm. Apparently all the schools are closed. There's ice pieces everywhere. And we are in a resident's backyard. We asked for permission to go in the backyard and explore a little bit. And so that's what we're doing now. And so as you can see, the snow is 3 inches deep. And it's snowballing everywhere. We got stuff covered in snow and stuff. And it's really, really hard to walk here. We got a lot of branches covered in snow, and there's a big ball here covered in snow. So if they also have a trampoline, if we get this video to 1,000 likes, in our next video, I will come back here and we will go on this giant trampoline. We'll ask the residents if we can be able to have permission to go on their giant trampoline. So yeah, these residents live in New Jersey, East Brunswick. And yes. This snow is really, it's new snow because you can tell by the mode of the snow that it's not packing snow. So like it's really bad to pack because look, you can't make a snowball or anything. So this snow here is really hard to make a snowman or stuff. So today is January 4th, 2018. And we are in a monster snowstorm right now.
So lights at the end of the road, but the road keeps on turning. I'm keeping the fight till the end.